Fluffy pancakes. Tall and fluffy. These pancakes are just right. Topped with strawberries and whipped cream, they are impossible to resist. Ingredients. 3/4 cup milk. 2 tablespoons white vinegar. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons white sugar. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons butter, melted. Cooking spray. Add all ingredients to list. Directions. 1. Combine milk with vinegar in a medium bowl and set aside for 5 minutes to sour. 2. Combine flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a large mixing bowl. Whisk egg and butter into soured milk. Pour the flour mixture into the wet ingredients and whisk until lumps are gone. 3. Heat a large skillet over medium heat, and coat with cooking spray. Pour 1/4 cupfuls of batter onto the skillet, and cook until bubbles appear on the surface. Flip with a spatula, and cook until browned on the other side.